don't know.
Okay, we are unboxing a shoes from LeBron. My husband has bought for me, and I just let him unbox it for me so that I can do the video. This is what LeBron. No, side. Look at the side of LeBron. There. It's LeBron Witness V GS.
Witness V, Witness 5.
But I'm on a youth size 5.
No, Witness 5.
Okay. Huh? Witness 5?
I
I don't
think
know
so.
names of LeBron. I just started to wear them. This probably my first LeBron James shoes, but I got it in black and white because this is for work. And I was really hoping to be able to get something that has this kind of cloth. And I finally have the shoes from the king. It's got the crown logo. What is that sayings at the side? No, look at the sides. Yeah, that one. What does it say? I don't know. Whatever. It is a basketball shoes, but it's definitely a work shoes for me. I use that. And you also have the logo in there. Oh, and there's a saying in there. It says, "Strive for greatness." And you've got. It's not. Oh yeah, it's LBJ for LeBron James. Imprinted on the sole of the shoe. It's actually nice. And I'm gonna try it. Okay. Ooh.
Comfortable.
It's got a very good grip here on this side here. So it's really very stable. That's why it's really very good for basketball shoes, I think. I don't play basketball, but just for stability on the sides, but more comfortability on the front. What I like about this is because it's such a wider front of the shoes. This size 5, no?
5.5.
5'5"?
The other one.
I think I can wear this with my shoe inserts. It's got really plenty of rooms right here. I think my foot is just right there, but it's okay. I like it. It's comfortable. And like I said, I probably would wear this with my foot inserts. It does have a little bit of an arch support, but I wanted my foot insert more. Okay. Here we go. My first LeBron James shoes. Sakura, yeah, but it's really comfortable. Just now, I don't need to break it in because it's just already very comfortable. And this would last me for a longer time. I wish there's a white one in this one so I could order and I could just wear the black and white because I don't have equality. Anyway, yay. Thank you, Day.